So we add LabVIEW controls and indicators to the Facade VI to create the front panel of the XControl. By default, the Facade VI includes data, display state, and container state controls, and data, display state, and action indicators. These controls and indicators are hidden and are not part of the XControl appearance. Resize the front panel window to fit only the controls and indicators that make up the appearance of the XControl. Set the window appearance properties of the Facade VI to adjust the size and appearance of the XControl. If the XControl is of fixed size, we can make the window not resizable from VI properties and then window appearance and then customize, and then we can turn this off, allow user to resize window. If we want the controls to automatically size when the XControl sizes, we can go to window size and then place a check mark in scale all objects on front panel as the window resizes option. Then when we resize the window and let go of the mouse, the controls automatically adjust. The block diagram of the Facade VI handles events for the front panel controls and the Facade VI itself. It contains a while loop and an event structure in it. The Facade VI is not a continuously running VI. Facade VI is not a continuously running VI. This is a VI that should be written to respond to events. It is called by LabVIEW at appropriate times with appropriate events. Handle events for the controls on the front panel here by adding cases to the event structure. LabVIEW calls the Facade VI only when there is an event pending for the VI to handle. LabVIEW calls the facade VI with the current data, display state, and container state. The VI handles the event and returns the updated data, display state, and type of action performed. We can use the container state cluster to provide information about the instance of the XControl. The container state cluster includes three elements: indicator, boolean, run mode, boolean, and refnum, which is a control refnum. We can use the indicator to determine if the control instance is a control or indicator. The direction of the XControl changed from a control to an indicator or vice versa. Update the appearance accordingly. We can use the run mode to determine if the VI we are using the XControl in is running or idle. Run mode is set to true when the owning VI is running. The VI owning the XControl changed from edit mode to run mode or vice versa. Update the appearance accordingly. Handle edit mode and run mode case differently. Lastly, we have refnum. Refnum is a reference to the XControl instance that we use only to query information about the XControl. We should not use refnum to modify the XControl instance from the facade VI. When the facade VI changes the data or display state, it should update the action cluster and inform LabVIEW of the changes. The action cluster contains three elements: data changed, boolean, state changed, boolean, and action name, which is a string. We should set the data changed to true when the facade VI changes the data out indicator. We should set the state change to true when the facade VI changes the display out indicator. Optionally, we can use the action name to name the action being performed. This name appears when we select Edit and Undo option. Typically, the Facade VI changes the data or display state in response to events generated on the front panel controls.